Hi everybody, my name is Joris and I am the program manager for Common Threads down here in Miami, and in honor of Earth Day we wanted to give you some gardening tips that you could do at home. So one thing that I love to do is I live in an apartment, I don't have that much space, and I also don't have all that much light, so I love growing leafy greens. You can grow them in a small amount of space and you can grow them with whatever you have on hand. So I have a window box here, works great to grow a good amount of greens. But if you just have takeout containers from supporting your favorite local restaurant, you can just poke some holes in the bottom and fill with soil, and you can use this as well. You won't get as many, but it's a great task to do with kids, or even if you just want a nice snack of greens. So all you have to do when you're doing this, it's really simple, is just fill your container with soil, and then once you have some nice soil, you can just get it from the hardware store. You can just cut some rows in it. So use your hand and just make a couple rows. You want it like ½ an inch deep. And then get your seeds. So you can use any kind of seeds you want. I typically do arugula or kale. Those are really my favorite. And then you'll just sprinkle them in. You want them roughly ½ an inch apart, but it's not an exact science. If you're working with young kids, you'll get a lot more seeds than you probably intended to, but that's okay. They'll still grow just fine. Once you have your seeds in the soil, just cover them up. Give them a little bit of water. And then after a couple of weeks, you'll have some delicious leafy greens that you can just cut these, add them to a salad, add them to a sandwich, or just eat as a nice midday snack. So I hope you found this useful, and happy Earth Day.